Roles of the President, Group 9, Economic Leader. Every president tries to help the country's economy prosper. Voters expect the president to deal with such problems as unemployment, rising prices, and high taxes. One key task the president must accomplish each year as economic leader is to plan the federal government's budget. The president meets with budget officials to decide what programs to support and what programs to cut back. Budget decisions have a great effect on the national economy. Other examples of the president fulfilling this role include meeting with economic advisors to discuss ways to reduce unemployment or meeting with business and labor leaders to discuss their needs and problems. The president's role as chief economic planner has grown rapidly since Franklin Delano Roosevelt's New Deal. The Employment Act of 1946 gave new duties to the president. The law directed the president to submit an annual economic report to Congress. The law also created a council of economic advisors to study the economy and help prepare the report for the president. In addition, the law declared for the first time that the federal government had the responsibility to promote high employment, production, and purchasing power. Since 1946, Congress has continued to pass laws giving presidents more power to deal with economic problems. In 1970, for example, the Congress gave President Nixon power to control prices and wages. 1 year later, the president used his power to put a 90-day freeze on all prices, wages, rents, and salaries. That law expired and was not renewed.